Get hitched. To get married. My daughter is getting hitched at the weekend. She has been with her fiancé for 5 years. Get off on the wrong foot. To establish a relationship with a bad start. We got off on the wrong foot when we first met, but now we really get on well with each other. Apple of one's eyes. Something or someone cherished and loved above all others. Lilly is the apple of her father's eyes. She can do no wrong. Bestie. Best friend. Since they met at summer camp, Sammy has been Betty's bestie. Better half. A person's better half is their husband, wife, or partner. You should speak to my better half about money. She is the finance minister in this house. Bromance. A close platonic relationship between two men. Brian and Jeff started a bromance. They are inseparable at the moment. Bud. Buddy. A close friend. That's the shop where my buddy works, but he's on holiday this week. Chum. Used as a friendly or familiar form of address between men or boys. Simon is a good chum. He will always help out if you are in trouble. Crush. A brief but intense infatuation for someone, especially someone unattainable. The new barmaid at the pub was my husband's crush when he was at school. Should I be worried? Ex. Former partner. My ex lives in France now. She remarried a Frenchman. Fam. Short for family. Used for one's close friends. Come to the club tonight. You can meet my fam. Fancy. To find somebody attractive or appealing. I heard that your brother fancies the new student in the class. Is that true? Gang. A group of close friends. I usually meet up with the gang on Friday nights. You can join if you want. Head over heels. Madly in love. Maddie is totally head over heels in love with her boyfriend, but they've only been together for 3 months. Heartthrob. A man, typically a celebrity, whose good looks excite romantic feelings in women. Have you seen the picture of the heartthrob on the front cover of the magazine? I don't know what women see in him. Honey. Used as an affectionate way to address a person. Hey honey, have you seen my car keys? Item. When two people are involved with each other. A couple. The two of them used to be an item, but I'm not quite sure that they are still together. Love. Used as an affectionate way to address a person. Hi love, sorry I'm late. Lovebirds. Two people who are obviously very much in love with each other. Look at those two lovebirds. They've only got eyes for each other. Mate. A close friend. This is my mate Simon. We've known each other since school. Mucker. A friend or companion. How are you, my old mucker? I haven't seen you for ages. Pal. A friend. Be a pal and lend me £10. I'm a bit short of money this evening. Pop the question. Propose marriage. I think Jamie is going to pop the question this evening. He is looking a bit nervous. Posse. A group of friends. Sharon has gone to the disco with her posse. They go every Friday night. Sidekick. A person's assistant or close associate. This is my sidekick Alan. We work together at the bank. Sport. A friend. You are such a sport. I wasn't expecting anyone to join me this evening. Squad. A group of close friends. Keith is somewhere over there with his squad. They are probably getting up to no good. Sweetheart. Used for talking to a person that you love, especially one you have a romantic relationship with. She is his childhood sweetheart. They are inseparable. Thick as thieves. Very close or friendly. The two of them are as thick as thieves. They are like brothers. Tie the knot. Get married. They plan to tie the knot in Greece next year. Trophy wife. A young, attractive wife regarded as a status symbol for an older man. A lot of people think she is his trophy wife, but I'm sure he loves her very much.
What time is it, love?
Oh, you've woken up then, sport.
I wasn't asleep. I was just resting my eyes. The apple of my eyes.
You were asleep. Your snoring even woke up the dog.
Is the film still on?
No, it's finished.
How did it end?
What is the last thing you remember seeing?
Well, the older guy, Mike, had just popped the question to his crush, Candy.
That's right, but everyone thought she was just his trophy wife because of the age difference. Then something happened to Mike's sidekick.
Dave? They were best buddies, weren't they?
They call it a bromance nowadays. Anyway, Dave was a real heartthrob and Candy was secretly head over heels in love with him.
What? With her husband's bestie?
Yes, but he fancied her too.
But the two men were as thick as thieves. I'm sure Mike wouldn't have done anything to Dave. So, did they tie the knot?
Yes, but it nearly didn't happen. Candy's childhood sweetheart returned and she started having second thoughts. Mike's ex turned up out of the blue. She had a posse of friends and they didn't like Candy. Then Mike's squad arrived on the scene. Then the lovebirds. Ed, are you still listening to me?
Just resting my eyes, honey.